Welcome to La Dimora nell'Anfiteatro, a sanctuary of sophisticated living in the captivating city of Lucca, Italy. And booking your exquisite escape is effortlessly simple. Just scan the QR code displayed on screen or refer to the description below. Here, in the embrace of meticulously designed superior rooms and elegant apartments, prepare to be enveloped in an atmosphere of unparalleled comfort and refined style. Our accommodations are thoughtfully adorned with contemporary furnishings, creating a serene ambience that invites relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you choose a superior room designed for intimate tranquility or one of our generously proportioned apartments, ideal for families or extended stays, you'll discover a haven of space and serenity. Each apartment boasts a fully equipped kitchenette, allowing you the freedom to create culinary delights at your leisure. Throughout La Dimora nell'Anfiteatro, your comfort and convenience are paramount. An elevator provides seamless access to all levels, while air conditioning ensures a perfectly climate-controlled environment, whatever the season. Complimentary Wi-Fi keeps you connected, and express check-in streamlines your arrival, allowing you to settle in and begin your exploration of Lucca without delay. Surrender to the allure of this extraordinary destination. To book your unforgettable stay at La Dimora nell'Anfiteatro, simply scan the QR code now.